I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas. I hope your day is off to a great start. Honestly, mine definitely is. I just laid in bed until like 11:15, which is always so nice. Obviously in the same outfit as yesterday because I am still at Connor's, so we're just rocking it again for now. And I think Connor and I are about to look at some potential apartments and figure out setting up some times to go and look at them, which will be very exciting. Then after that, I don't know, I think that I might have lunch here because I'm thinking of diving into that leftover pad thai, because why not? And then I'm gonna head home because I have a couple of things that I want to do today, including cleaning out my closet, which is always such an adventure. So I want to get that done sort of in the afternoon. That way I can have a relaxing evening. That is the plan for the day. Well, I just devoured another bowl of that pad thai. I'm sorry, I meant to show you guys, but I was too excited to eat it. Clearly. Oh my god. Okay, I'm heading out. We just watched the first Eagles drive. It was whatever. Yeah. So I'm gonna leave now. I love you.
I love you too, Nuggo.
Okay, friends, we are home now. I was just on the phone with my mom for a little while. I guess we should get changed too, since we wore this all day yesterday. Although I don't think I ever showed you guys this outfit, and it is pretty cute. Let me show you. Like, I sort of dig this. I usually am not really one who would like or often wear loungewear out of the house because it was cute. Like, I'd wear it because it was comfortable and I don't care what I look like. But this I actually think is a pretty cute little outfit here, just with a pair of sneakers. I like the little slit in the sweatpants. It makes them a little bit cooler, I think. They just fit really nice. They're really comfortable. Again, Forever 21 with the amazing quality here. But yeah, let's get changed just for the sake of wearing something different today. Okay, I just threw on this little set that I got from Forever 21. I hadn't tried this on yet. It's like, okay, right? Like, it's not great. But like, you know, looking at the quality of this versus those sweatpants, like, this seems like Forever 21 versus the others. I feel like this is an outfit that I would wear when like cleaning the house, because I don't care if it gets messed up, or like if I'm doing something messy, I could throw this on. So like, whatever. I'm actually really cold in this, so I think I'm gonna throw a sweatshirt on instead of this t-shirt. But I just thought I would show you guys because I was like, about it. Okay, just throw on a sweatshirt. I do have to say, these biker shorts are really soft and comfortable, which I love, but you know, overall, not that great. Here's the deal. So I think today, can I set this down and like sit? I don't feel like standing. Today, the plan is to clean out my closet. Sort of been dreading doing this. There's honestly, I don't even know how much I actually want to get rid of. And I also like, I feel like closet cleanouts during quarantine are scary because like, I don't know what I'm gonna want later. Like I could already see stuff in the room like, oh, well, I haven't worn that in, you know, 6 months, but is that really my fault? I haven't worn anything in 6 months. But either way, this has to happen before I move, and I figure let's not put it off. Let's just get to it, right? I like it. We're just gonna dive in, start going through stuff. Right, Molly? See what we can get rid of? All right, let's do it. Mwah. I love you. Oh, see, like some of these things I really do like, but I just don't ever wear, and I'm like, I know that I should get rid of it. I'm actually very sad. I think I'm gonna get rid of this bodysuit, which I am obsessed with, you guys. It's so cute. Oh, maybe I won't get rid of it. Maybe I'll put it in a maybe pile because I don't know. But I wore this to the Jonas Brothers concert, so if I do sell it, like, I should sell it for like $50 more because it's been in the presence of a Jonas brother. All 3 of them, actually. 3 of them. Anyway, that's a joke, obviously, but so cute. I don't know. Maybe I won't get rid of it. I'm gonna put it in maybe. Okay, I have my pile of stuff here. It's a pretty good little pile. I mean, it's nothing crazy, but I didn't have that much to get rid of either, I didn't think. Now it's time for some harder decisions, like this bodysuit that I was just showing you guys. I have to decide about this, as well as, hi Molly, like this cardigan I've had forever, and it just feels like a staple that I just don't need to get rid of, but I almost never ever wear it. But sometimes I do, and then it's nice to have. Same with like this little bomber. I almost never wear it, but it's pretty cool and I like it a lot. The jackets I had a lot of trouble with. I think I might just keep them all for now. Which I know I should get rid of some of them, but I don't know. I really do like them all. So I don't know. Did a pretty good job with shirts, I think. That's what I got rid of the most of, is a lot of shirts. Kept all of my t-shirt dresses, of course. I live in these when the weather gets hot. Oh, you know what? This actually, I feel like I can get rid of this. I think I'm done with that. And maybe actually this too. I've had this for a really long time and I think I'm ready to get rid of it. Actually, I'm sort of feeling the same about this, but actually I think I'll keep it. I still like this and it's still in nice condition for like a white thing. I've never like spilled anything on it. It doesn't look dirty or discolored. Sorry, my camera out of room, but anyway, I think I will keep this. Yeah, I think my closet's in pretty good shape now. Like, that definitely freed up. I had like maybe 4 hangers here. Now I have a lot more, which is good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I should look through this stuff too. Ugh, God. I cannot even tell you guys how much I'm dreading moving and having to clean out everything in this apartment. It's gonna be a nightmare. Oh my God, Molly Cat, what are you doing? Why has she been going under here lately? What are you doing? Why are you sitting under there? So weird. Okay, I hate doing this part. Sweatshirts, I think for the most part, I'm gonna keep them all because I love my sweatshirts. I live in sweatshirts if you guys haven't noticed. I mean, here I am right now. I was in a t-shirt for like 2 seconds in this vlog and I was freezing. But I do think I'll get rid of 2 of these. Get rid of my Cats Against Catcalling sweatshirt, which I love so much, by the way, you guys. So cute and funny. I just never ever wear it, so I think it's gotta go. And wait, this is not what I was trying to get rid of. This is my Gryffindor sweatshirt. Not that I wear this very often either because I'm a Hufflepuff. But I bought this when I was still in denial about that. But yeah, I think I will keep this even though I just never ever wear it. Why should I keep it? But I feel like I should. It's a nice sweatshirt, but I never wear it. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of it, I think. Yes, okay, I'm gonna do it. Sorry, I do love that sweatshirt. Keep all of that. Okay, from these sweaters, I think I'm gonna get rid of a few of these things. I'll get rid of this, goodbye. I'm gonna get rid of these, I think, too. Pew! That feels pretty good, I think. Pants, I really don't think I have anything to get rid of, but we'll take a look. But I have not bought any new pants in a while. Oh, look, here's Connor's shirt. Yeah, like I'll definitely keep these. I'll definitely keep these. Oh, maybe I'll get rid of these. Yeah, I think I will. Woo! And maybe these two. What are you? Oh no, these are my Mickey pants. Yeah, I'm definitely keeping those. Man, when I have to start actually wearing jeans again, it's gonna be tough. That's pretty good. I feel like I should maybe clean out my bathing suits too. What's in here? This is like random ass hats and stuff. Maybe I should clean out some of this, but just as like random, yeah, I guess I'll go through it quickly. Oh, look at these. Oh, they're sort of bent. That's sad. My cute little reindeer antlers. I wonder if they can be fixed. Oh, my little baby Spice shirt, but it sort of all came apart, so I think I'll trash that. Oh my God, remember this hat that every YouTuber got at playlists and everyone wore? I don't even know if you guys remember that, but make videos every day. I low-key sort of still like that. Cat ears, what is this? A random white discolored hat, trash. Visor, very Handmaid's Tale. I'm gonna keep it. Not a lot of stuff that gets used very often, but not a lot of stuff that I won't really want to get rid of either. This is honestly a Vlogmas mood. Make videos every day. That's what we're doing here. Vlogmas. Alright, I feel pretty solid about that, you guys. I'm not getting rid of any shoes because I love them all and I'm just not even gonna bother torturing myself with that. Maybe when I'm moving I'll make those decisions, but for right now I'm not doing that. But I feel pretty good about all of this, I think. So I think what I'm gonna do now is take photos of everything and get ready to put it all up on Poshmark. That way, hopefully when this video goes live, all of that will be live for you guys. Don't hold me to that, check the description. That will have more accurate information about what's happening, but I'm at least gonna take photos of everything so that that part is done. Just one of, well, no, the whole thing is an annoying process, but I really would like to just get this stuff up for you guys so that you can just take advantage. All right, I pretty much have everything put away now, which is good. In case anyone was wondering, I'm saving the Jonas Brothers shirt. It felt wrong to get rid of something that's been in the presence of the Jonas Brothers, at least right now. Wow, that was a struggle to do with one hand. There we go. Very excited, you guys. Looks like I finally got my Tarte Shape Tape that I ordered on Black Friday or Cyber Monday or whatever. Finally gonna have 2 fresh ones. This should last me like literally a year and a half. These last me forever. All right, just finished taking some recycling out. Things are going pretty well and I have to show you guys this special delivery that I got today. I'm dying. So there's this cookie company called A Nutter One, like not another one, a Nutter One. And the owner, Paulina, actually reached out to me on Instagram and asked if she could deliver me some cookies. So these are like fresh baked cookies, and she said that like humbly they're some of the best cookies like ever. So I am so excited. She sent me chocolate chip, white chocolate, M&M, chocolate walnut, pumpkin cinnamon, double peanut butter, and oatmeal raisin. I'm gonna have cookies for days, you guys. You have to look at this. Okay, here it is, a Nutter One, in case you guys didn't understand what I was saying. And look at these. Oh my God. I'll say it again. I wish smell-o-vision was a thing because I want you guys to be able to smell how amazing these smell. I'm going to die. I don't even know where to begin, but we have to try one. I'm gonna try this one, which if I had to guess is chocolate walnut. That's sort of what I think. Here, let me break a little piece off. I'm gonna have the inside. Looks so soft and gooey. Oh my God, that is an amazing cookie. Oh my God, so soft on the inside. Sorry, my camera died, but I am dying over this, you guys. I'm gonna have to eat all these cookies. Literally all of them. They're so good. All right, here's my evening's plans. Sims 4, we'll watch some junk TV, having a snack. These jalapeno corn and rice puffs are so good from Trader Joe's, so pretty solid evening, I would say. All right, guys, it is dinner time now. I just had such a nice, relaxing evening. Literally just played Sims, watched Schitt's Creek. It was great. And now, yeah, dinner time. And you guys know the drill. It's Sunday ramen, although I did have ramen on Friday too, so it's fine because we're gonna make kimchi ramen, so it'll be a little different. All right, we got our ramen coming along here. I just let the the kimchi fry up for a little while and then just add some veggie broth. I also did tofu in there before I added the kimchi just to get that a little browned. We'll add that closer to the end. Gonna throw in some green bell pepper and some zucchini as well, which will be very yummy. Usually when I'm making this, I'll also add miso in just because I'm sort of making my own broth, so I wanna give it some more stuff to sort of flavor it. But I just realized that I left all the stuff I brought to Connor's for our pad thai at his place, so I'm gonna need to get that back from him before I can do that. All right, we got everything in there together now. We have our noodles, our zucchini, our red bell pepper. Jill. Green bell pepper. My kimchi, it's all mixing in together. All right, you guys, look at this meal. I am about to feast and it's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. And I think I'm gonna put on the crown. By the way, does anyone else have trouble with their Alexa, I don't want to say her name, when watching Schitt's Creek? Every time she's like, oh, Alexis, you know, it just goes off. It's driving me crazy. Anyway, into the crown. Oh, and also let's light some candles. I have not been lighting candles a lot recently. All right, yeah, there we go. That was so good, you guys. I am dying, wow. Honestly delicious, even without all the things that I would usually put in it. Still so good. What is it, Molly Cat? I know. I love you. All right, guys, it is time for bed. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas episode, the closet clean out. But me and Molly are heading to bed now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for another.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?